this is Mami Jess and welcome to our Crusoe Cabins Premier Garden View. Cabins 30 and 31 ang nakuha namin and we book it via Klook. Let's do a quick room tour. Sa balcony pa lang, perfect na agad ang tambayan. Meron silang outer bed, swing, tables and chairs, perfect for your family bonding. Pwede rin kayong magpa-deliver ng food from the resto and enjoy it right here. Pagpasok mo, makikita mo agad ang sofa bed that can fit 2 adults. May small dining table, may kitchenette, and a bathroom. Meron ding TV for the entertainment and fully air-conditioned ang sala, so malamig talaga ang buong space. Now let's check the bedroom. Inside, may double deck and a queen-size bed, perfect for your barkadas and your families. Meron din sila ditong safety deposit box, free of charge yan. Plus, a clothing rack for your OOTDs. This is your garden view. Ang ganda, di ba? Alam nyo ba, may play area din dyan para sa mga kids. Now, balik naman tayo dito sa kanilang mini kitchen. Dito nyo makikita ang remote for the TV and aircons. Meron pa silang pa-complimentary coffee. And katabi naman yan ang sink. The sink, it works well. Malakas naman ang water pressure. Tapos meron ding mga drawers. May empty drawers para mapaglagyan nyo pa ng mga gamit. And meron ding drawer na may lamang slippers. Meron silang laundry bag, which is super helpful for your wet clothes. And may pa-hair blower din. Sa baba, pinakababang drawer, may mini fridge with free bottled water. And now, i-check naman natin yung kanilang house rules. So, nandyan sa taas, sa may mga remote yung kanilang house rules. If you want to read it, just pause the video. Finally, the bathroom. Enclosed ang shower area nila dito. Very clean, with hot and cold shower. Complete din ang mga bathroom essentials like yung body soap, shampoo, conditioner, dental kit, syempre, clean and fresh towels. Mawawala ba naman ang tissue? One of my favorite parts, their LED touch mirror. Pwede mong i-adjust ang lighting. Perfect habang nagme-makeup ka, habang nagsiselfie, or kahit aura-aura lang. Ganyan. And here is my fam habang ine-enjoy ang stay namin dito sa Crusoe Cabins. You know what? This place is definitely perfect for your family too. Enjoy!